I think highly effective, sangat effective sebab mostly kalau kita pergi training, another training, we just dia tunjuk and then we gonna see and do not hands-on training. But here apa yang Serverware buat, I think is macam sangat sesuai because at the same time kita boleh belajar.
You know, for somebody who just walk into class and want to learn about servers.
Yeah.
So it was that way. And so I picked up a lot of things that I didn't know earlier, including putting together a whole server. It was a good experience to me, so I know now what goes where, how it's all done. So it was, I personally felt that it was worth my while.
Now I know already the Seagate got the new Nitro with this kind of specs, with this kind of like SED, security, encryption and everything. So I know already. So next time maybe I can suggest my admin like, oh, you should try this one.
It's quite effective because for us we need to like give some consultations to our customers, like storage, what kind of storage, how much storage do they need. So it's quite useful for us.